Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to embed custom code in Hostinger website builder at 2026. So actually guys, I have a method and it's embedding the code in a page, and that's the most common method, right? So actually guys, before showing you what I'm actually going to show you, you will need to make sure that you already have an account. You log in to the website Hostinger, and there you go. So right now I want you to just go and click on the websites option on the left hand menu, and then just select the first option, websites list, as you can see. And after that, just locate the website that you want to edit on or to embed the code on, and click on edit website. Right now we are on the builder Hostinger, or the website builder, and here you will need just to select the page where you want the code. So for example, I will go with that page. So I click it once, and then I go to the elements on the left hand menu. So right here you will need to scroll all the way down till you can see the embed code option here. So just click on that option, and there you go. So here you will need to click on enter code, and then just enter or pass your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or iframes like maps, forms, widgets, etc. And then just click on embed code. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.